had some people ask what the status of the Fort DeSoto boat ramp is. So if you are not in the know, the Tampa Bay area got ravaged by the 2024 storm season. Helene and Milton really wrecked this area. We had some people ask, we're kind of going to give you the lowdown. I will say this is not a review. We did a full review of the Fort DeSoto boat ramp. If you happen to miss that, we'll put a link down in the description. You can watch that video. And I also want to say, this is no shade because this is a great boat ramp, right? There's usually plenty of ramps, plenty of birds interrupting my shot. All right. Right now it is not ready for prime time. So as you can see over here, all of the floating docks are in the parking lot. So they're sitting here. I'm not sure if they intend to reuse them or if they need to be rebuilt or if they need repairs or if they need to like all new ones. I don't know why they'd be saving them if they weren't intending to reuse them, but here they are. There is only one dock available. You still have all the ramps, obviously, so if you don't need to use a dock, you're good to go. Two sides, obviously, but if both sides are taken up, then you're gonna have to use like the middle portion to pick someone up, drop them off, what have you. We just wanted to give you an update, and if you have any questions, we might be able to answer them. Pop them in the description. Again, like I said, it's still a great boat ramp, and we do have a full dedicated video to the Fort DeSoto boat ramp, which we can pop in the description if you missed that one. But other than that, we hope you have a beautiful weekend, and we will see you out there on the water.